Hey folks! Today we're heading down under to visit some Aussie mango farms and see how they grow and harvest this juicy goodness. With vast farming areas, these farms produce a whopping 50,000 tons of mangoes every year. Late spring is prime time for planting new mango trees here, and the farmers are all set to get their hands dirty. These mango trees usually take about 2 to 3 years from planting to harvesting. That's like waiting for the next season of your favorite show. Around this time, the mango trees start to bloom, and after about 110 days, it's finally harvest time. These mangoes are ripe and ready for picking. Depending on the tree's height, farmers use different methods to gather the fruits. Wouldn't it be fun to visit a huge mango farm and pick some ripe mangoes yourself? After harvesting, tons of mangoes are sent to factories for packaging or juice production. At the factory, the mangoes get a spa day. They're washed, sorted, and packed before being shipped off to supermarkets. Some of these lucky mangoes even get to travel abroad. Ever tried a frozen mango? Here, the mangoes are peeled and chopped into bite-sized pieces. The factory maintains strict hygiene standards to ensure the best quality. So, how do you feel about the journey of these delicious mangoes from farm to table? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.
어쩌는